Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's The Core series, we're exploring LaCroix, maybe, and their ginger flavored brandy. Maybe it's Leroux. Maybe it's Leroux.
Who knows?
I don't really know. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. I'm a silly American and only speak one language, so what do
That's
I
right. Yeah, look at this fun, another beautiful old thing I've dug out. What do you think? Leroy, LaCroix? I don't know. We don't know. But it says ginger flavored brandy on it. I can read that part. All I know, we have reviewed some of their stuff before. It's a Belgian company. They make it in the United States now. So it's Flemish. I don't know how to pronounce it. Someone wants to tell us in the comments how the proper way to pronounce this thing? Go ahead. We'll try it for you harder next time. It's 35%. It's premium ginger and ginger root are blended with the brandy. Same thing happened on this one. It's also now at 60 proof, I found out. So good thing having these old college bottles that I have. Some fun cocktails is the Gingersnap No. 2 and the Chatham. It's also great with ginger beer or ginger ale. All right, let's see what we think.
So I can't make the Gingersnap number 1 with this, but I can make the Gingersnap.
That's the funniest part of the cocktail. I'm like, what the hell is a Gingersnap 1? No, it says Gingersnap No. 2. I'm like, so I was like, where's 1? I'm like, there. Number 2. I'm like, sure, why not? I don't know if Gingersnap number 1 is with a different product that's ginger from them or what. Who the hell knows? I thought it was funny. It's like number 2. You had to go to number 2. You couldn't come up with like a different name. No, just Gingersnap number 2. That's too much effort. Cut them off.
Whoa, it's so ginger.
It's crazy. Like, was it the Canton, the Domaine de Canton? That's the ginger one we reviewed. Like, that might be like the second or third liqueur we ever reviewed.
Yeah.
And this might be more gingery, to be honest with you.
It is. This is closer to ginger ale or ginger beer.
Like, this is like the ginger you get when you get sushi. Like, that straight up ginger that you put on sushi.
Yeah.
I really like this. I would definitely drink this with sushi because I love sushi and it's delicious. Oh.
I feel like this would cut the sweetness of ginger ale, but then again, I'm smelling a lot of sweetness in here too.
Yeah. But it's just
based
ginger.
on the legs, I can tell you that there's quite a bit of sugar content in there.
Yep. All right. Let's see what Will thinks.
It smells like I'm going to enjoy it at least a little bit. I like ginger.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Ooh, that's some ginger spiciness.
Oh, but it's so sweet.
It's sweet, but once again, it finishes bitter.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, but it's so sweet up front.
It's very sweet up front.
So that's the sweetest ginger ale you've ever had.
Yeah. I would love to mix this with some ginger ale or some ginger. I think real ginger beer, like that Gold Sling ginger beer, or what's Gold Seal, not Ginger Sling.
Yeah, I think this would go well as an additive for cocktails. This is not something that.
No, by itself, no.
I don't think most people are going to enjoy this just sipping it neat.
No, I don't think I drink this neat. I think this is definitely for cocktails. I can't fathom drinking.
Even without a cocktail, just this with some club soda.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Probably be really delicious.
Oh, real nice. Yeah,
over some ice with some club soda, it'd probably be a nice ginger ale type.
Yeah. This might actually be fun with some certain like blended scotches and some club. It would probably be really nice as an additive to it. So it's fun.
You're not wrong. I mean, Buchanan's worked great with the pineapple.
Yeah,
again, it was a little bit sweet for my palate, but I mean, it's got its place for sure. So
it works. Absolutely.
I have a feeling that ginger would do well with something like that as well, like a monkey shoulder or a Buchanan, something blended.
Oh, really nice with that.
Maybe a Dewar's.
Yeah, I think we go with all those. Yeah. Same thing. Price on these, this is like $10 today. Super cheap back in the day. $6-7. They're not expensive.
All right, man.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you for widening my palate and
mm-hmm.
having me try these things. As much as I don't enjoy the sweetness, I do enjoy being able to pull from reference points. So
exactly.
This has been a really fun and exciting series, even though it has been a little on the sweet side. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. And until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. I got iced coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Don't worry. There's plenty more bitter shit coming soon.
I want to do more bitter truth stuff.
Okay, I'll pull a bunch. I have a ton of them. Only one
Oh,
I
do you?
can't find. I need the violet. I cannot find the violet bottle anywhere.
This is
This is
ginger flavored brandy.
yes, Leroy or Lacroix. How the fuck you say this word? Leroux. Fucking
Leroux.
Sure. It's Flemish. Fuck, I don't know.
Leroux.
LaCroix? Fuck, I don't know. This is like the third thing we've ever done. I don't think we've ever actually figured out how the fuck to pronounce it. It's like an ongoing joke.
Let's just say it a whole bunch of different ways.
Someone can correct us when we figure it out. We don't know.
Ready?
Sure.
5, 4,